I just found about a dozen of these securely suspended in a juniper tree. Are these bagworms or something else? This is Carl. All right, Mr. D, I think this might be something else, right?
They're not bagworms. They're not
right.
bagworms, that's for sure. I know what a bagworm is. They're not bagworms. But yeah, tropical tittenweb spider, I think, or orb spider is Certophorus citricola, I think is what this critter is. It's came into the United States in about 2000 and it's spread through some of the southern states. So I assume that Carl is from somewhere in the south.
Right.
But they are a real severe pest in South America and in citrus and coffee plantations because the webs are so thick that it actually can block photosynthesis. It can, mess up the leaves. But that's what it is.
Yeah, just the egg sacs, right?
So those are the egg sacs.
Should you get rid of it?
Well,
could be beneficial.
They're
right?
probably a beneficial insect, unless they are so thick that they're blocking, cutting off the photosynthesis of the plant that they're on.
It doesn't,
but
so
they're on a juniper. Well, a dozen's not enough.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do anything with them. Of course, those egg sacs, I don't know how many little.
Yeah, that's the question.
You got a dozen of those and let them all hatch out. And assuming a half, 50% survival rate, so you kind of keep an eye on them. But you may have to do something in the future.
Orb weaver.
But maybe not.
Weaver.
Right.
Yeah, how about that? So yeah, it's a pretty picture. Yeah, so thank you for the picture, Carl.
And since they are tropical natured, perhaps the cold winter will help us on that. I don't know how well insulated that little egg sac is, but 17 below might take them out.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.